Okay, welcome back. We are in the month of June and now it's going to be an exciting series of having few more guests from our Chococates family. Today we have somebody very special. Hello.
Hello,
You are, what's your name?
Om Kasmete.
Okay, Om. And how old are you?
6.
6 years old. Oh my god. And Om is my dear friend's son and we made a lot of cakes for you for your birthday and I'm very happy that you are here today. Are you excited to make some chocolates today?
Yes.
Alright, so let me explain to you what this is in front of us, okay? So chocolate is of 3 types. One is the dark chocolate, then we have the milk chocolate and we have the white chocolate. We have a few lollipop sticks and we have these nice silicone molds which we are going to use to make the chocolate, okay? First what we need to do is melt the chocolate. So I'm going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds and bring it back, okay? Okay, so we have melted our chocolate, but it doesn't look like good chocolate now, does it? So for that we need to mix it well. So can you start mixing the chocolate properly here? The white chocolate, I'll help you with the dark also. Can you see as we keep mixing the color is becoming shiny? Yeah, is it becoming shiny? So if you compare the milk with the dark chocolate, see this is not shining, this is shining. Can you make out? So when we are making chocolate, the most important thing to remember is that while melting, we don't put it in the microwave for a very long time. Okay, just 10 seconds.
And it will burn.
Yeah, it will get burnt. It will just, you will get chocolate which is totally burnt in the microwave. And when we are mixing, can you see what are these?
Bubbles.
Yeah, so there will be a lot of bubbles that will come and they will look ugly on our chocolate, no, if there are bubbles. So that's why we need to mix and remove all the bubbles out. And also when we are putting it in this mold, this is called as the chocolate mold, it should not be warm or hot, it should be in room temperature, okay. So we keep stirring it till it comes to room temperature, alright. So chocolate making is very easy, but there is a technique to it, which is stirring it like this so that we don't get any lumps, that there are no air pockets or these bubbles. Our chocolates are already at room temperature now.
Yeah.
Now to make the lollipop, see this mold has already got a opening for the stick. So first thing you need to do is put the stick. Can you put the stick inside? Yeah, and yeah, the important thing is that it should go little in the front. Because when we pour the chocolate, it will attach to the chocolate here. Okay, can you put it all? Okay, yeah. So we'll start with the single color one now. Okay, so pour little into this. Just plain one white chocolate we'll make. Yeah, now pour it into this. Yeah. Very good. That will go on its own. Just pour the chocolate here. You can take more chocolate and add. Okay. So what happens in this is that we are pouring the chocolate inside this. Then we will be keeping it in the fridge to set. Not the freezer, but the fridge. Okay.
Why not the freezer?
Because the freezer has moisture and it will become hard. The chocolate will become hard.
Yes,
In the
so
fridge,
we cannot bite it.
yeah, so chocolate should be something that you put in your mouth and it should just melt, isn't it? It should feel nice. So to get that texture, we should put it in the fridge. Okay. Now after we've done this, we take the mold and we gently tap it like this. So
Why?
that, you know, the stick goes in and if there's any air inside, it will all come out. Now in this, can you add some milk chocolate? In this, not the white. You can leave the white out now.
This.
Add some milk chocolate here. Pour it. Yeah, if you take too much time, then the chocolate will set. So you have to quickly pour and then put it in the fridge. Otherwise the chocolate will not take shape. Okay, just remember, that step is important. Once you have taken it on the side, now pour it in. Don't worry about if the chocolate falls, it's okay. I will clean it. Yes, that's nice. Do you want to make one more in milk? See, can you see an air bubble on the side over there?
Yes.
Yeah, so we don't want those air bubbles to come. So we will tap it. And whatever excess chocolate is there, don't worry. Once we unmold it, we can remove it, okay? So when you're putting the chocolate, after putting the chocolate, you have to tap. Okay, now use that, yeah. So this is done. We are going to put this in the fridge to set. Hello Om. So our chocolate lollipops are in the fridge setting. Can I ask you a few questions?
No.
Oh no, please, just a few questions. So tell me, what do you like, chocolate or vanilla?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. And if I had to ask you if you like a cake or do you like ice cream, what would you say?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. And in cake, what flavor do you like?
Chocolate.
Chocolate flavor, isn't it? So tell me, I hear you have a YouTube video
Yes.
channel. So tell me more about it. What is it about? What is the name of your channel?
Adventurous Home.
Adventurous Home. And what do you talk about in it?
Like where did I go?
Ah.
Vacation.
Hmm.
About adventures.
On the vacation, what all you did? Tell me, which has been your favorite vacation spot which you've spoken about?
Amritsar.
Amritsar. You went to Amritsar. Did you go to the Golden Temple? Wonderful. How nice. So who's your favorite person on earth?
Ronaldo.
Ronaldo. And if Ronaldo is coming to your house tomorrow, what would you make for him to eat?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Now that you know how to make chocolates, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright. And if you had to ask him a question, one question you can ask Ronaldo, what question will you ask?
How do you play football?
How do you play football so well? Everybody plays football, but Ronaldo plays it really well, isn't it? Yeah. And one last question can I ask?
Yes.
What is your happiest day? Something that made you very, very happy. What was
Birthday.
it? Your birthday. And why was it the happiest?
Because it's my lucky day.
It's your lucky day. How wonderful. Alright, so are you ready to unmold the chocolates and check if they are set, how they have come out?
I don't think so it's set.
Okay, we'll wait for it to see and to eat your chocolates. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yeah, so first give me a high five. You've actually made chocolates. Yeah. And then we'll taste it and then we will see how you've done. Alright?
Yes.
Okay, Om, our chocolate is set. Now we have to unmold it. Very gently you have to push the chocolate out like how you do in your poppet. Okay?
Yes.
Don't use too much jor, otherwise it will break. Okay? So lift it up and and can you see the extra parts which are on the side? Yeah, you got to remove that. Okay, put that on the side. Very nice. Okay, now it is time to taste. Which one would you like to taste?
This.
The dark one? Go ahead. Taste and tell me. How's the chocolate?
Taste.
How's it? How does it taste? Nice? Really, I liked it. Out of 10, if you had to rate it, how much would you rate it?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Alright. High five. Good job.